Welcome to my local reviews, where the reviews are hardcore. Today's review is over a Gatorade flavor Arctic Blitz. Alright, Gatorade Frost Arctic Blitz. Blitz. Alright. You know, it kind of looks like Mountain Dew Baja Blast. Same color. Anyway, let's try this. Ah! Here we go. Gatorade Arctic Blitz. Kind of tastes like soap. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't know what just happened. I don't know why it tastes like soap. Maybe that's the Blitz. It sucks! It sucks! I don't want any more. Get out of here. Poop! That's what it is. It's poop! Anyway, that's all I can handle of that crap today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore.